Hi guys! I said that I was probably going to hopefully have another video up by tomorrow. To get this started, I'm just going to talk about what's going to be in my video. I am going to go get my hair done. I'm going to have 2 braids right there, and I'm kind of excited. I wanted to start this video tonight because I'm starting on my hair, and I started on my gross black nails. They are so disgusting. I'm gonna go get my hair done in a few minutes. Before I will come back as soon as my hair is finished. So I'm back and my hair is done like Postie's hair. So I'm happy and I'm excited to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Yay! I created little grills with tinfoil in my retainers. So that works great. And then I have like some chains. I have a watch to put on and I'm excited. I'll be doing a lot of filming tomorrow. Yeah, so I'll be back in the morning. I'm gonna start doing my makeup. I'm gonna prime my face. So I don't have like a lotion type of primer because I just ran out. So that's all I have. I prefer the lotion stuff better. I don't know, it's just a preference. First, I'm gonna start on my foundation. I usually mix 2 colors together because I am not just one shade. I have to be complicated and be 2 shades. I'm going to put on my foundation. So now that I'm done blending out my foundation, I'm going to conceal real quick, and then I'm going to put translucent powder on my face to like set everything so it makes me not look like a pig that just rolled around in a oil puddle, because I tend to look like that if I don't put it on. I'm gonna put this on real quick. Alright, so now that I'm all done doing that, I'm going to first set my eyes. I'm just going to set the rest of my face that like tend to get a little greasy. So now I'm going to spray it with this spray. Got in my nose. Ugh. Alright, so now I'm going to brush out and do my eyebrows. I'm going to make them really thick because Post Malone has thick eyebrows. I'm really sad because this is all I have left of my Anastasia Brow Wiz product. It's so sad. So I'm just going to use this to outline underneath, and then I'm going to use my eyebrow definer, which is a lot bigger, and I have a lot more of it, to like do strokes upward. And then I'm going to carve it out so it'll look good. So I'm just going to save some time by doing some of this off camera. I'm going to use my eyebrow. Where did it go? Found it. Okay, so I'm just going to use this to finish up the rest of my eyebrows because I don't have that much left, and I'm going to save it to do my mustache and beard and stuff. So here we go. So I forgot to tell you all that I'm actually going to use this pomade to do little hair-like strokes on my eyebrows and maybe a little on my beard and stuff. So it gives me more like defined little hairs. So it's not all like smoothed in, I guess, if you know what I mean. I'm going to do this real quick. My bad. You gotta be kidding me right now. Okay, so my eyebrow is actually kind of like flaring out a little bit, which is like my goal. That was not my goal. Neither is that. I'm going to touch up a little bit with this tiny eyebrow pencil. I'm going to fan out my eyebrows a little bit by fading. Just the spots where they kind of got really dark. I just got makeup all over my black jeans and you can see it. I thought you wouldn't be able to, so I wiped it on my pants. I use this brush. It's the Morphe 432 brush. It works really nice for like cleaning up eyebrows underneath and like even defining my the tail of my eyebrow. Well, for now I think they look good. So now I'm going to start on my mustache. See, I kind of wish that I had facial hair right now, so I wouldn't have to draw it on, and it would actually look real. I hope I don't pierce another hole in my ear. Okay, luckily I didn't. So that's good. I don't even know which way the safety pin's supposed to go. Is it supposed to be like that? I think so. Alright, so I have a safety pin in one, and then I have a diamond earring. I have some chains to put on. I'm actually really excited. First, I'm gonna put on this chain. I don't even know how to open it. This can take a long time to put on. Alright, I got that one. It's actually pretty heavy. I have this one. Looking snazzy. I have this one that my friend Michael gave to me. Well, he didn't actually give it to me, but he let me borrow it. This one's tiny. Okay, I don't even know how to put it on. Alright, so this one looks cool. And then I have this diamond one. Oh my god, it's a clip-on. How do you even do this? Alright, I think I kind of figured it out. Well, I don't even really know how to put it on. I think I have an idea, but I don't actually know. I have some bracelets to go with it. It's really sparkly, and it's one of those stupid clips again. I could barely put it on with 2 hands. Forgot my watch. Okay. It's gonna literally take forever. Alright, well, this watch is humongous. I look souped up. After my mom does my tattoos on my face, I'm going to come back and show you guys. Alright, so my mom just finished all my tattoos. They look great. Thanks, Mom. I have the nose ring in, like everything, so it looks good. So I'll show you a full body picture, well, video. My finished product. I have a lot of jewelry on, and I think everyone's gonna love this. So, see y'all later. Bye! I'm so tired. I just got home from trick-or-treating, and I said I was gonna upload my video on Halloween, but I am actually going to do it tomorrow because I'm just tired, and that's what I feel like right now. I hope you all liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Hope y'all liked it, and happy late Halloween. Posties out.